So welcome to my channel. In today's video we will explore how to use API commands to retrieve specific data, store that data in a variable, and then automate the process of changing an attribute of the host using that variable. So let's get started. So we can start by looking at our hosts. So as usual, ngmt cle-r true show hosts f JSON. So we can think about the color. So this host color is red. This is red. This one is brown. This one is brown. So what if we have, say, five, for example, 5 hosts with color red that we will want to change to another color? What should we do? So we can take this command and I'll explain what it will do. So in this command we will get the objects with the array and select only color, and here it says light green, so we can change that to red and see the result. Let's enter here. So we can see here that we have only 2 hosts with the color red, but to change the color from red to another color we only need the host name. We don't need this information, the UID and the IP address. So how to get rid of these? We can take the second command here, this one. Can change that to red. So here, the difference here that we took only the name. Here we took name, UID and IP address. But here we take only the name. So press enter there. So we can see that this command shows us only the host names. But now we need how to use these host names in a variable. So how to put them in a variable. Now we can take this next command. We can put it up here. So here we call we need to create a variable and we call it host names color equals $, and we open parentheses. So you can see parentheses here and there. And we put the same command as before. This command, we put it inside the parentheses. So we only change here to red. And press enter. So what happened now? What happened? So to check the result of our variable, so now we have sent these host names to that variable. To make sure, we can check that. So echo $, and the variable's name, like this. And now we can see that that variable includes these hosts. So the next step is to change the color. So now to change the color we need to loop inside the variable. And we can use this command or commands. So this is the for loop. And this is the loop variable. This host is the loop variable. You declare a variable, often called the loop counter or iterator, this one, that will take on the value of each element in the collection. This is our collection. This includes our 2 hosts. So during each iteration. So The collection, you specify the collection of elements you want to iterate through, which is in this case this host names color. This could be an array, list, object, a string, so depending on the language. But here we use bash. Here we have the loop body. It's a command. You define the code block that will be executed for each element in the collection. This code block can access the current element using the loop variable. What we have more here. So now if we press enter here, so now we see that the for loop went into this host names color and changed the color, but to red. So we need to do it again because the hosts were red. So we can change that to blue, for example, and run again. So we change the color and publish, and now we can check that the color has been changed. We can, because we changed from red to blue, so we can take blue here and see what we can get. So now we can see that a host and a LDAP has been changed from red to blue. Okay, that was enough for today. So thank you for watching and see you next time.